Hey, so if your Brave browser is taking too long to open or feels slow at startup, yeah, that can be pretty frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave startup lag step by step. Alright, first make sure you don't have too many tabs running in the background. Too many open tabs can slow startup a lot. Now go to the extensions page and disable any add-ons you don't really need, especially heavy ones like ad tools or VPN extensions. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can build up and slow everything down over time. In Brave settings, turn off continue running background apps when Brave is closed. This can improve startup speed. If Startup Boost is enabled, try turning it off. Sometimes it actually causes lag instead of helping. Make sure you're using the latest version of Brave. Updates often fix performance issues. If your computer is slow overall, that can also affect Brave startup. Close heavy apps like games or editing software. If nothing works, reinstall Brave completely. This resets corrupted files that might be causing lag. And yeah, that's it. After these fixes, Brave should start much faster and feel smoother overall.